This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is inserting rows and columns in Excel. To insert a row, you must first select the area you would like the row to be placed. For instance, if you would like a row placed between rows 9 and 10, select row 10. You can right-click and select Insert or click the Insert button on the Home tab. To insert multiple rows at a time, highlight the number of rows you need inserted. If you need 4 or more rows inserted before row 11, highlight row 11 through 14, right-click and select Insert. To insert a column, you must select the area you would like the column to be placed. To input a column between C and D, select column D and click the Insert button on the Home tab. To insert multiple columns at a time, highlight the number of columns you need inserted. If you need 2 or more columns inserted before column E, highlight columns E and F. You can right-click and select Insert. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.